3M Satin Gold Dust Black, fully wrapped Cybertruck. This film is very different than any other film that 3M makes when it comes to a satin or matte black appearance. And the reason is because while when it's in the shade or at night, this Cybertruck looks very much like satin black, but the second a little bit of sun hits it, the second there's some light, take a look at all this really cool gold dust kind of flake in the wrap. And because it's all satin, it's actually not that flashy. It's quite dynamic and very cool to take a look and enjoy. This color really does suit the Cybertruck. I like it, and it's definitely a first for us. We have used this film in the past on other models Tesla, but on the Cybertruck, I think it really does work nicely. The customer also chose to go ahead and replace the factory 20-inch wheels with our 20-inch fully forged CT7 wheels. And the CT7 wheel actually is a perfect fit with the factory Goodyear tire. As you all know, the Goodyear tire has these really cool design elements and kind of cutouts for the aero covers, and that actually lines up perfectly with our CT7 spoke design. I love it. I think it's a good look. It also now exposes the brake calipers, the braking system, and just gives the overall wheel and tire a different appearance. This truck also was tinted, and that's really important when it comes to a Cybertruck because there's so much glass. It gets so hot on those sunny days. A lot of UV comes in, and we went ahead and tinted everything using 3M ceramic IR film. This film will help reduce interior temperature by up to 15 degrees on those hot summer days, give you a 99% UVA and UVB rejection of rays to protect your skin and to protect your interior. It also looks really cool, especially for the front two doors. And then lastly, what we did was make sure that we don't forget to recognize this Cybertruck as being a Foundation Series Cybertruck. And it's all in the details. So when you wrap a Cybertruck, it wraps right over the Foundation Series badging that's on the front fenders and on the rear. We have recreated those badges using vinyl film and apply it right where they were originally. It's a nice touch. Thank you, Tesla fans, for watching. As always, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you would like to see some more Cybertruck and Tesla content